You're going to need your band for this exercise, sitting forward on your chair, feet underneath, and you're going to have the feet hip width apart. You're going to loop the band so that it's round the balls of your feet but not pulling on your little toe. Put a bit of tension in the band and lift the toes up off the ground, keeping the heels down. And you're just going to push down and lift. Now as you do this, there's going to be a tendency for your feet, your big toes, to want to come in closer to each other. Have a quick check, look down. Are your feet still going forward and backwards? So you're going to feel this in the front of your shins, maybe a bit in your calves, but also in the outside of your ankles. So just do as many as is comfortable for you. Lift and push. So that's helping to strengthen and mobilise the ankle. Doesn't matter if you're not lifting as high as I am. You notice my feet are forward of my knees to allow me to get that lift and lower. Lift and lower. Couple more if you can, but as always, your choice. You stop when you've had enough and rest. Release the band. Might want to do a couple of ankle circles each way just to release and loosen the ankle.